Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send stars on Monopoly Go. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So first thing that we want to do here is you want to go ahead and open up Monopoly Go. Now in Monopoly Go, this is the first UI you should see whenever you open this up. So when you go to the bottom section of your screen, that's where the Win Build album and section. So we want to go to the album section here. So in this case, you have different sets that you want to visit. So in this case, you want to go ahead and go to the String of Fate. So on String of Fate, we have cards here, which is actually has stars on them. So if you want to send these cards that has stars in them, what you need to do is you first have to have a duplicate of that card. So in this case, if you're looking, if you have a duplicate of that card, as you can see in here, I have the card for True Love and I have a +1 on that, so it means I have one extra card for that specific card. Now if you want to send it, just click on the True Love option there or the card that you want to send, and from here just click on the Send to Friend option, and from here just need to select that friend that you want to send a card or star on their account, and from there just click on Select and you'll be able to send stars on Monopoly Go. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.